Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the Rosgers apartment building, and that is it straight ahead. Now this building is going to be an apartment building, but the reason why it's so popular is because it's going to be the tallest building in Jamaica when completed. It's called the Rosgers, and it's named after the developer whose last name is Rosgers. And it's located at 10 Waterloo Avenue, and Waterloo Avenue is off Waterloo Road. Now we're just going to show you a quick view of the area, and you notice how many more high-rise buildings there are in this area. Right beside or to the left of the Rosgers is two more apartment buildings. So this is a residential area basically that it's in, and that you're looking at now, that picture, that is Southdale Plaza, and then that is Lane Plaza, and then beside Lane Plaza you have the Village, you have the mall, and then you have Tropical Plaza. So this building, although the road it's located on is a residential area, it's about 1 minute away from Halfway Tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica, and about 3 minutes away from New Kingston, which is the business capital of Jamaica. It's like the Wall Street of Jamaica. So you have, this building is in an ideal location, and it's going to be 101 units, and it's going to be 20 floors high. Now, as of today, the tallest building in Jamaica that's open, that is, I guess you could say, operational, is the Pegasus Hotel, also in New Kingston, and that is 17 floors. The second tallest building is the Scotia Centre in downtown Kingston, which is 15 floors. So I just want to point out here that this building is 20 floors and it's under construction. So when it's finished, and that should be sometime in 2024, it will be the tallest building in Jamaica. However, I just want to point out that there are two buildings that are seeking approval that will be taller than this one. You have the Ascent, which is to be built in Kingston, and you have another building that's to be built in Montego Bay. But those buildings have not started yet, or the construction of those buildings have not started yet. So this will be the tallest building in Jamaica until those buildings, the two buildings we just mentioned, are completed. But if they haven't started yet, then we're not sure when they will be completed. Okay, so there you can see some more high-rise apartment buildings. All those buildings are apartment buildings. And even though this is going to be the tallest building in Jamaica, the Rosgers, it's not, the apartments are going to be 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedrooms. So you only have 101 units. There's a complex in New Kingston called the Cambridge that is going to have 172 units. But those units are going to be 1 bedrooms and studios, I think. Alright guys, well, enjoy the tour of the Rosgers building, and we'll keep you guys updated on the progress as the building moves towards completion. Alright guys, have a good day. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.